everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how to fix Spotify no internet connection error. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Then turn airplane mode on, wait for a few hours, and then turn it off to refresh your connection. Then restart your phone and reopen Spotify. Also, head over to your settings app and then search for Spotify and make sure that the background app refresh is turned on Spotify in your device settings. Then if you're using any type of VPN, try disabling it as it may block the connection. That's how you fix Spotify's no internet connection error. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more helpful guides.